Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make these DIY photo ornaments. They look really nice on a tree and are a great gift idea for the holidays. So let's get started with the materials you're gonna need. These are clear DIY ornaments that I bought at the dollar store for $1 each. They measure 4 inches in diameter, but you can get whatever size you like. Next is fake snow. It's not necessary, but it definitely adds to the cool factor. You will definitely need some photographs or pictures, scissors, glue. Any wood glue or school glue should do fine. Any tool or tools for drawing a circle. I'll be using this fancy compass. And with that, we are ready to begin. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the tag from the ornament. Now I'll remove the top of the ornament. You can save that step for later. Go through your photos and pictures and figure out which ones you want to use. I customized the length and width of these when I was placing the order. They are 4 by 4 inches, which corresponds to the diameter of the ornaments I'm using. I'm going to place the photo face down, the reason being it's white on the back, which makes it the ideal place to draw your circle and gives you room for mistakes because it's the back and nobody's gonna see it. Now I'm going to take my compass, and by spinning the knob in the center, I'm going to adjust it to about 2 inches, which is the radius, or half of the diameter. Time to draw the circle. And there's the circle outline, which will guide me when I'm cutting the photo. The first cut I'm going to make is cutting the excess off. And next is cutting along the circle. Okay, and there's the first photo cut into a circle. On to the second photo, and the process is going to be the same, so I'll just fast forward through it. The second photo is ready, as you can see, and the next step is to apply glue to the back of one of the photos. I'm spreading the glue in a thin layer all around the photo, but keeping a bit of distance from the edge. Wiping the remains of glue from my finger onto the other photo, I now put the two photos together back to back and align them. Alright, you can check if they're aligned good by flipping them horizontally, and if both sides appear upright, then the alignment is good. So now that you're satisfied with the alignment, what you want to do next is spread the glue. Using something cylindrical is a good idea, the same way you would use a rolling pin. In this case, the bottle of glue happens to be cylindrical, so that's what I'm using. By doing this, you are preventing bubbles and warping. Watch out for any glue that might come out from the edges, and be sure to wipe it off before proceeding. You don't want to roll it onto the pictures. Let the glue dry a bit and it's on to the next step. Use a roll of tape or something like that to hold the ornament for you. Then, roll up the photos like this. And insert them into the ornament. Now, it turns out that I cut it a bit too large, but that's actually a good thing because I'm going to show you how to fix that. So, if that happens to be the case, carefully take it out and I'll show you what to do. Now what I'm going to do is adjust the compass and draw a smaller radius circle within the photo. And I put a piece of paper in the middle of the photo to protect it from the sharp point of the compass. The smaller circle has been drawn and I'm going to trim the photos. So about that much was trimmed off. I can measure it with a ruler if I want to see what's the diameter now. Let's try this again. I'm gonna roll up the photos and put them in the ornament. Okay, this time it seems to be a better fit. You can use a stick or something like that to help you correct the position of the photos. So you see, that's how it looks like right now, and you could stop right there without adding the snow and just hang it up on the tree as is. But I'm gonna follow through and add the snow so I could show you what that looks like. I'm gonna be using a plastic funnel to help me pour the snow in. How much snow to put is entirely up to you, it's a matter of artistic opinion, so put in however much you feel looks best. If the snow gets stuck in the funnel, just use a stick to push it through. Now I'm gonna pour the snow into the other side by repositioning the funnel to that side. If you happen to pour too much snow in, you could always pour some out. Take a look, it's coming along quite well. Now put the top back on and you're done. Here's the other one I made. And here's how they look on the tree. Thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see you next time.